Hi, welcome back. Let's solve this log equation. First, I'm going to rewrite it to get rid of these root signs. So this becomes log of x to the 1/3 equals log x to the half, and that's all of that to the half. Now let's use this rule to bring this fraction of 1/3 here down to the front. So this becomes 1/3 log x equals log x to the half. Now, just to simplify things, I'm going to use a substitution of u to mean log x. That way I don't have to keep on writing log x down all the time. So just rewriting this, we've now got 1/3 of u equals u to the half. And I want to get rid of this u to the half, so let's square this, and that just becomes u, and let's square this, so that becomes 1/9 u squared. Now let's bring this u over to this side, so I end up with 1/9 u squared minus u equals 0. And now we can pull the u out from both terms. So this becomes u multiplied by 1/9 of u minus 1 equals 0. Therefore, either u equals 0 or 1/9 u minus 1 equals 0. Rearranging this, we get that 1/9 of u must equal 1, or u must equal 9. Now remember that u equals log x. So we have here that log x equals 0 or log x equals 9. Therefore, rearranging this, we get that x equals 10 to the power of 0 or x equals 10 the base to the power of 9. And they are your answers. X equals 1, 10 to the power of 0 is 1, or x equals 1 billion, 10 to the 9. Did you get it?